Alright, I just wanted to share how I do my oil change on my 2025 Toyota Corolla LE. Gotta pop the hood. This is automatic, reset your parking brake and shock your tires. I have my car up on ramps and have chocks on one tire on both sides just in case. I don't know. This is what I do. Right after opening the hood, you do your oil cap. This is the oil they want you to use. These are the products I'll be using today. This Switch XP. We'll be using 4.4 quarts of this. Alright guys, I'm just a rookie DIYer, so it's my first video doing this like this before. So this has 4 10mm screws right here. Any that need to be removed from the shield. Alright, here's how it looks after we got the cover off. Right here should be your drain plug. Alright, I replaced it with a motor drain valve, and your filter is right there. This is very easy. I love doing oil change on this thing. Alright guys, oil is drained. The filter is hand tightened as tight as I can do it. And now it's time to put this baby back on. So it goes like this. Sorry guys. So it slides in right here. Okay, so this has a little part that slides in right here. And right here. Slides in. So just get them in there and then screw it in. Alright guys, now I'm going to add 4.4 quarts of this. 0.4 quarts is around like 12, 13 ounces. 0.4. You know, I'm not going to record myself pouring it in there because this thing doesn't stay in good. And it's windy, so I don't want to make a mess. Alright, well now I've done adding the oil, so I'm going to put the lid back on. Alright, I'm just a rookie dude. I'm just showing what I do, my experience. Let me know if I should do anything different. Your thoughts. Thank you. Bye.